Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go to above here, you will search about WhatsApp and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.